Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Huawei smartphone to your Samsung Galaxy M21, for the first you have to go for the Play Store on the both smartphones and you have to download this application, the name CLONEit. If you do, just open it on the both smartphones. And right now you have to click sender on Huawei and receiver on Samsung. Click search again. And right now just wait. Click on this icon, and as you can see, we have two ways to connect. We can scan QR code, but also if you have any problem with your camera, maybe it is broken or something, you can input the password manually. So pick your favorite. Right now our smartphones are connecting and we have to accept the request on the Huawei smartphone. And if you want to send everything, just click on all of these icons, then click on the start. But in my case I will go below because this is only example, so I will send 3 songs. Let's select, then tap on the start, click on the OK. As you can see, it's finished, and we can check where are the files, and as you can see, here they are in the audio. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.